This is the Vendita Rose Dethroner. So this product is a necessity for anybody working with roses. It is a quick and easy and efficient tool that really dethorns roses in the quickest time possible. What's great about the spring inside is it doesn't spring too much. It's an easy grip, so when you put the pressure on the rose stem itself, it doesn't backfire on you. The blades are really sharp, but not to the point where you're gonna cut your finger. What's also great about this tool is while you're working with it, it has this finger support, so when you're grabbing it, it's very ergonomic and easy for you to put the pressure on and pull those thorns off. It's a very durable product, easy to use. I can't live without it. I would recommend this product to anyone who works with roses. Stripping roses doesn't have to be painful. You gotta get yourself one of these.
Are you looking for more product advice and wisdom from me?
Or me?
Or me?
Hit that subscribe button or head over to thedesirecompany.com for more classes, how-tos, and reviews.